National Institute of Technology NIT Manipuri permanent oiba campus ama athubada pinaba thaurang tauragani haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana phongdokhrei Palace Compound leiba City Convention Center da pangthokpa NIT Manipuri 13 suba convocation gi thoramda wafam masi Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana phongdokhibani thoramaduda mahangna makhatan hai NIT Manipurna leibak asigi naha kayada tongan ba hiramda mahai machine takpi tambiduna leibak asigi yanglen saru oiri mahai sang asigi lengdraba mafam ama thamba haibasi tangai fadraba thabak amani khallaga lengangna thubada mafam ama pinaba thaurang tauri Viksit Bharat lisingani nifutaret ki manglan asi mangphauna na bagidamak mahai loisang asi semgat sangat bagi tangai fadaba lei ngasi degree phanglaba maharoi singna su honaduna leibak asi chaukhana ba thodang lomina si haina su mahangna makhatana phongdokhi
NIT Manipuri higher technical education ki primary institute singimarta ama oibang amai NIT Manipuri say permanent campus to be matanga and thamjagi wa honduni to soidana atubu matamda I honorable MA legatana zaraga idi mag kinada leibonina madu mataw pangthok na ba I hona jagani tadoino lena ayana thamjani musi asigi mai pakpirawa graduate students in Manipur madi Bharat ki makok to we ambassador oidana say laiba 2047 ki Viksit Bharat ta mai panga Sanjal Mandambagi, Adu Basakti Edu, Leviu, Alamating Pangsi, Gusu, Luna, Wahikras, Hajarkanda, a senior graduate student singing, Kona Zawa, my parent education, Amadi, Tamoi Singa, Kona Zavaka, and see Tanzasi, Yavani, and Nakoi Kurimuna, a public set for a part, Amadi, Tungi, Tumba, Akan Baparama, Viksit Barama Semba, Amadi Viksit Manipurama Sembala.
Thoramaduga Mari Lenana Mahai Sang Asigi Director Professor DVLN Samaya Juluna Hai Ngasilantokliba gold medal lamadi degree sing ase Mahairoi sing na matam kaya wana hona jarakiba kaya dugi mahaine alumni singi Maguna Institute amagi masak taklibani maramaduna ngasi makhal kya gi degree phanglaba mahairoi sing na matung tarakpada laibak asi malem gi thakta chawkhatba purakpada angam bathodang logadabani institute asina NEP lisingani kungi matungina AI amadi B Tech program ahumda ahan boina National Board of Accreditation NBA da hapchilakli chahi asigi oina research paper chamag humpu taruk phongki bagaloina na placement offer chamaga kuntrani thoida mahairoi chamaga supna mapanna lupa lak mapandagi Yankaima Toy Faubagi package Oigadaba offers sing Fangbangam Ki, Masigi Matakta, Mahai Sang Asina, Mahairoi Sing da Lenga Kiamadi Tongan ba Chaukat Balebak Sing da Best Tauba Foundation Kaya Yauna, Lebak Asigi Maming Leraba, Mahai Sang Singa MOU Kaya Kudiak Binaduna, Scholarship na Chingbagi Tengbang Kaya Piri Haiki, Nasigi Toromaduda, NIT ki Board of Governors ki Chairperson, Lal Bagra Amadi NIT Manipur gi din ge asu sarkya ki NIT Manipur gi Mahairoi Sriya Pandeda Computer Science and Engineering gi oina Institute gold medal fangki Risu Rasna Electronics and Communication Engineering da Marshal Mayang Lambam da Civil Engineering da Angom Linda Sanana Mechanical Engineering da Ketrimayum Sanjifna Electrical Engineering da Institute gold medal lantoki
As a director of this institute, it is my pleasure to mention the achievements and other developments related to academia, academic, administrative, campus development, and other initiatives. Institute revised curriculum in promoting outcome-based education, research-led teaching, innovation, Indian knowledge system, health and well-being, entrepreneurship-based electives as per recommendations of National Education Policy 2020. Another major academic initiative during the year 25-26 was the introduction of minor program on artificial intelligence for all the non-computer science engineering students with opportunities to acquire interdisciplinary knowledge and competencies in one of the most transformative technologies of the modern era globally.